how to enable reader mode by default on Safari on your MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want Safari to automatically open articles in readers mode? Then I'll show you how to do it. Open up your Safari and then you need to go to Safari menu in the top left, click on it, then go to settings. Now you will need to go to websites, and then you can see reader at the top. Just tap on it and you can see when visiting other websites, tap on the drop down and you can choose on. So if you want reader mode to enable every time you visit a specific website, Safari will remember your preference automatically. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.